Furman's Family Road Trip.
All right, we didn't even unhitch, so we're ready to go. It's time for another Road Ready Campground review. Today we're coming from
the Eldorado dry lake bed, right near Boulder City, close to Las Vegas.
We stayed here for one night, just looking for a place to stage outside of the city, as our reservation at Circus Circus starts today. So we are on our way into Vegas, and we thought this was a good place to spend the night. It is a 100% free boondocking spot. It is on this dry lake bed, so there's a lot of people out here camping, flying model airplanes, dune buggies. There was a photo shoot because SEMA's about to happen.
There were some fireworks.
There were fireworks we could see from the city. We could even see the lights from the Luxor. I think the Luxor is the big hotel in Vegas that has the laser light show. We're real close to the Hoover Dam. Big open flat space. It was actually a pretty nice spot to stay.
There's room. It's gravel here. If you're out a little bit more over that way, there it's like dirt
Sand.
and dust, so it's dustier, but the gravel part's not too bad. It's huge. There's room for hundreds of RVs.
It's a free boondocking spot, so there's no hookups, no water, no sewer, no electricity. Verizon service was good while we were here. I imagine since we're so close to Vegas and these other cities that service, there was a lot of air traffic and road noise. That'd be about the biggest downfall to this place.
On the reviews on freecampsites.net, some people said that the cops have come in and told them they can't stay. They've asked them if they're homeless. So we had no issues. Nobody came by and said anything. I don't know if it's maybe if you look homeless or if you're camping out a long time or what the deal is, but that is just something to keep in mind that could happen.
Good 30-minute drive into Vegas from here, so good location. It's right off of, I think, US Highway 95, I think is what it's called, which is a straight shot down to what, Needles?
Yes.
Yeah, so if you're coming off of I-40, this is a good spot to stay right before you go into the city, or if you just want a free place to stay and don't want to pay to stay in Vegas, but a short drive in.
So it was nice. If we were around here, we'd definitely stay here again.
Yeah. All right, so we're going to head on into the city.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.